Okay, so about 10 months ago, Heather and I moved to Kauai, the Garden Island, and we bought a house. It was here behind the Sleeping Giant. And we're about, I think 9 miles from the center of the island, where there's Mount Waileale, which is the principal volcano in the center of the island. A while back, we took a helicopter flight into the remnant of the crater. Which has been eroded out, and there's a river that flows out of it. Closer to us, about 4 miles away, are the Makaleha Mountains, and they're more visible to us where we live. We can look through our driveway and see the mountains. And occasionally there are waterfalls. I think this mountain is kind of a miniature version of the principal volcano. It must have been another cone that's also eroded in a similar fashion. In Mount Waileale, the back wall is called the Weeping Wall because actually the top of the mountain is one of the wettest places on the planet, and it causes waterfalls to flow down that wall. It's called the Weeping Wall. And but from our driveway, occasionally we'll see waterfalls on this Mount Makaleha Mountain, in the Makaleha Mountains. There are a number of falls there that on the map, if you look on the map, there's the Kapakanui Falls and the Kapakaiki Falls, which I think are the ones that I'm going to show you in a minute. There's a road that goes up to the base of the mountain, and I think that's a place where people go for a hike to Makaleha Falls, which is a popular hike. Although the falls I'm going to show you in a minute are falls that I don't think are ever visited because there are no trails to them. So let me show you what I did. Holy cow. Okay, these are the waterfalls that we can see from our house. Amazing. Let me zoom in on this one here. Wow. Holy cow. Beautiful. So these are the mountains sort of northwest of our house a little bit. And I noticed that the waterfalls were flowing today. It's sort of hit and miss as to when there's going to be water in them or noticeable water. Oops, broke controller signal weak. I think I need to come back. Ooh, there's a bird. Okay, that should be me. Okay.